Binance is a global cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various digital assets. It was founded in 2017 and has since grown to become one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Binance offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, trading pairs, and services, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced traders. To start trading on Binance and secure your payments transactions in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Create a Binance account. Visit the Binance website, www.binance.com, and click on Register in the top right corner. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and complete the CAPTCHA. You will receive an email with a verification link. Click on it to confirm your email address. Verify your account. To trade on Binance, you need to complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. Click on the user icon in the top right corner, then select User Center and Identification. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary personal information and identity documents. Binance will review your information and verify your account within a few hours. Deposit funds. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds to start trading. Click on Buy Crypto in the top navigation bar and choose your preferred method for purchasing cryptocurrency, such as credit, debit card, bank transfer, or P2P trading. Follow the instructions to complete the purchase and deposit the cryptocurrency into your Binance account. Understand the trading interface. Navigate to the Exchange tab at the top of the page. You will see different trading pairs and order books. Binance offers two primary trading interfaces, basic and advanced. Beginners may find the basic interface more user-friendly, while experienced traders may prefer the advanced interface. Place an order. To buy or sell a cryptocurrency, you need to place an order. Choose the trading pair you want to trade, e.g. BTC USDT, and select either limit, market, or stop limit order. In a limit order, you set the price at which you want to buy or sell. In a market order, you buy or sell at the current market price. And in a stop limit order, you set a stop price and a limit price for a more complex trading strategy. Manage your orders. After placing an order, you can track its status in the Open Orders section. To close or cancel an order, click on the order ID in the Open Orders table and choose the appropriate action. Withdraw funds securely. When you want to withdraw your funds from Binance, navigate to the Wallet section and select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Click on Withdraw and follow the prompts to enter the withdrawal address and the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check the address and amount to avoid sending funds to the wrong address. Secure your Binance account and transactions. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. To add an extra layer of security to your Binance account, enable 2FA. Go to the User Center by clicking on the user icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings. Under the Security tab, click on Two-Factor Authentication and follow the instructions to set up 2FA using an authentication app like Google Authenticator or SMS. Use a strong and unique password. Always use a strong and unique password for your Binance account. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name, birth date, or common words. Consider using a password manager to generate and store your password securely. Enable Google Authenticator for account logins. In addition to 2FA for transactions, you can enable Google Authenticator for account logins. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from the app in addition to your username and password when logging in. Go to Settings, Security, Google Authenticator, and follow the setup instructions. Enable IP address whitelisting. IP address whitelisting allows you to restrict access to your Binance account from specific IP addresses. This helps prevent unauthorized access from unknown devices or locations. Go to Settings, Security, IP Address Management, and add the IP addresses you will use to access Binance. Regularly update your device software and antivirus. Keep your computer, smartphone, and other devices updated with the latest security patches and antivirus software. This helps protect your devices from potential threats and reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your Binance account. Be cautious of phishing scams. Phishing attacks are common in the cryptocurrency space, where scammers attempt to steal your personal information and login credentials. Be wary of suspicious emails, messages, or websites that ask for your Binance login details or other sensitive information. Always verify the authenticity of any communication related to your Binance account. Store your funds in a secure wallet. While Binance provides a secure platform for trading, it's essential to store your cryptocurrencies in a secure wallet that you control. Consider using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for long-term storage, or a reputable software wallet for more frequent transactions. Monitor your account activity. Regularly check your account activity, transaction history, and open orders to detect any unauthorized or suspicious activity. If you notice any unusual activity, immediately change your password, enable additional security measures, and contact Binance support for assistance. By following these steps, you can ensure a secure trading experience on Binance and protect your funds and personal information.